morning, everyone. It's actually a day where I'm using my camera. Shocking, I know. I have a camera, just sometimes using my phone is so much easier and it's so much lighter, but I guess if today's the day I'm not leaving my house, well, we can go with the camera life. Today's wonderful outfit, we've got tie-dye sweatpants from the great old Walmart, socks that don't match, and this purple crew neck that I got from Target the other day. My hair is doing whatever. Cheyenne's over there on full creeper duty. It's like 10 degrees outside, but she insisted on the window being open. So I've eaten my breakfast, I had my coffee. Cheyenne's like having a hairball over there. I realized that I didn't put water back in the ice maker, so I didn't have enough ice really for my coffee, so that was kind of sad. The dishwasher seems like it's almost done running. I wanted to make the banana chocolate chip muffins right away, but I realized that I hadn't washed the pan yet. If you ever buy kitchen stuff from Target, Walmart, like, you need to wash it because you don't know how long it's been sitting around in that dusty back room. Could have been a long time. So instead of doing the muffins first, we're gonna do my succulents first, which will probably be quite a mess, so hopefully I don't get dirt everywhere. So I have this really big pot I got from TJ Maxx for 20 bucks, which is a really good deal. And then I've got my little succulents over here. These are obviously real ones. These are just little fake ones I'm gonna throw on in. This pot doesn't have drainage holes, so I needed some rock. So we had these like decorative ones. I put them in the sink and washed them because they were very dusty. So I'm gonna put these in the bottom of the pot. And then I'm gonna use African violet soil. They were out of succulent soil, but they told me that African violet is basically the same. So that's what we're gonna use. Smells like dirt. Okay guys, let's do this. So I was told that I should keep the dirt that's in the original plants and just build it up around it. So that's what we're gonna do. We have 4 little ones, a big one, and a medium-sized one. So I think it just makes the most sense to put the big one on its own over here and then put the others around over here. And again, all these are from Walmart. Hey! No, we don't need your help. We don't need your help. Yeah, don't even think about it. So this one obviously should have been transplanted a long time ago because it's not coming out. I guess maybe I'll break the pot. No! No, your help is not needed. My mom is so much better at planting, gardening in general, but I try. So I'm pretty sure that the heat dry on our dishwasher doesn't work anymore because it just makes it really nice and warm, but it doesn't actually dry anything. Like, look how much... That's a lot of water. I feel like it's kind of pointless to dry the dishes if you have to dry them yourself. This cup has little rulers and apples and erasers in it, and the glitter moves around. Super cute, and it's customizable too because you can pick like what color glitter and stuff you want inside of it. I came from an Etsy shop, so if you're interested, I'll leave the link down below for all y'all that like the shiny just as much as I do. So I'm ready to make my banana muffins. My recipe is from food.com. Here's a picture of it also. So first thing we gotta do is mash up some nanners. 1 egg, 1/3 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1.5 cups of flour. We're just gonna do 3 halves so we don't have to dirty another cup. teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of salt. And now we combine the flour mix to the banana-ish mix. This bowl is old from Target. This bowl is semi-new from Walmart. I'll link it down below in the description if you're interested. This pan is from Target. Baking soda, a Walmart special, you know it. So we make chocolate chip pancakes a lot. So when I knew I was making chocolate chip muffins, I was like, oh no, this isn't enough chocolate chips. I better get another. So I got this big old bag. And then obviously I'm making it right now. And I looked at how many I actually needed. And you only need 2 to 3 tablespoons. Like that doesn't seem like enough chocolate chips at all. But maybe that's just because I live off of candy and sugar. And I'm kind of like the female version of Elf. I mean, not even sure if all of these are gonna fit here. Guess we shall find out. Like if you compare how much mix there is, it doesn't like seem like there's that much chocolate chip, but okie dokie, we shall follow the directions. I feel like this whisk is about to break. Doesn't seem like it's attached very well. It doesn't have a brand on it, so it's probably like a cheap $2 Walmart one or something. I love a good Walmart find, but sometimes I do just buy absolute junk from there that I probably should have paid more for the higher price thing. What is going on with this chunk of hair? I'm pretty sure because this is silicone, you don't actually need muffin cups, but I'm just gonna stay on the safe side and use the actual cups. And the recipe says that it's enough for 12, so wish me luck. Oven is almost preheated. I ended up doing these 3 without the little cupcake liner, and I didn't use Pam spray or anything. I just put it right on in. So we'll see if they pop out really easy or if it's a struggle. So yesterday when I stopped by Walmart to get some chocolate chips and some other things, I knew I wasn't gonna wanna go anywhere to get food because I just wanna stay here today. Shocking, I know. And I knew I wasn't gonna wanna make anything because I was making muffins, so I wouldn't wanna make anything large. So I picked up one of my favorite salads from Walmart, which is crazy, I know, me eating a salad, shocking, but I actually really like the Santa Fe chicken. It's kind of like the crispy chicken with Southwest dressing that McDonald's used to carry. Literally, I guess Southwest salads are my thing and everything else is like meh, except for Olive Garden. I mean, you can't turn down an Olive Garden salad. So I'm gonna eat my little salad, put the muffins in the oven when the oven is preheated because as usual, I don't read the directions very well and I should have preheated the oven first, but oh well, we'll just have to wait. Probably not supposed to do this one-handed. They look good. So good. I probably could have cooked them a little bit longer, but I honestly don't mind when my bananas are kind of smushy. You can see on the top it's not as like crispy, so I guess if you want it crispy you'd have to cook it a little bit longer than what the recipe says, but overall I'm a happy camper. They come out super easy too. They're a little big, but they'll survive. I mean, you can go like this from the bottom too, but obviously these muffins are just for me, so I'm sticking my fingers in there. These ones though, will just... Ooh, that worked! Wow, it just rolled right out of there. Try you. I'm doing this literally one-handed, so it's pretty impressive. I mean, it definitely makes it dirtier. But that probably doesn't happen if you don't have chocolate chips. Oop, get back here. I was laying in bed watching Grey's Anatomy, catching up on the ones that I haven't done, and I could just hear her crying from the kitchen because she's looking for her treat. She knows what time it is. She knows this is the dish. She's such a sassy thing. Now that we're up, we might as well get a little snacky snack. I had pizza yesterday for dinner, and Dan had meatloaf. Ugh. So, we're gonna have a little cheese pizza. I believe we're having chicken pot pie for dinner tonight, because we do have HelloFresh meals. It's kind of weird that it's New Year's Eve. It just doesn't feel like it, because literally we have nothing planned. We're just staying inside, like usual, like all of 2020. Did you get it all? Are you happy now? Yeah, you got it all. So greedy. Shay. You got it all. Well, sausage, pizza, garlic sauce. Dinner is served, and I will have pot pie later. I believe Dan has to work until 6. You already had a treat. I believe Dan is working till 6, so he'll be home later. So by the time we have pot pie, it'll probably be like 7:30. You may be thinking, wow, Monica, why don't you just make it? Well, I'm a bit of a mess in the kitchen, and I already looked at the recipe, and it involves a lot of chopping. And chopping of things is not something I am good at. So I'm going to end this video right now so I can finish editing and get it up for you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Today is actually my last full day of being, hey, get out of my plant. Yeah, you're in jail, aren't you? Trying to eat my succulents. Up here trying to give him a little nibble. Anywho, today is the very last day that I have the entire day off. Tomorrow I go back to working at Walmart from 5 to 10. It's almost 5 o'clock right now. And when 5 o'clock rolls around, I'm usually slothing around doing absolutely nothing. So it won't be a big shock to my system or anything. I do have to go mail that package. So I can either do it tomorrow or I can do it on Saturday. Haven't quite decided yet. But if I do go mail that package, then I would just stop at Target as well. I do want to organize my holiday themed clothes, and that might be like the title for tomorrow's video and like the theme of what I'm doing. But I need a bin for my Thanksgiving clothing. My Thanksgiving clothing previously to this year had just been coexisting with the Halloween clothing. But I've gotten a couple Thanksgiving related things this year that they probably deserve their own bucket. So yeah, we'll see if I end up at the store tomorrow or we just delay it till Saturday. We'll see. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.